And Daddy is still sleeping. We are eating now. Ito, tira from last night. And Zion has fresh eggs and spinach. Tapos, hindi na ako naka-vlog because nag-start na nagsidatingan na yung mga dumating na yung mga friends namin, kaya sunod-sunod na sila nun. At first yung mga may babies, tapos dumating din sila mga between 8 to 9. Tapos yung iba mga 10 p.m. And then natapos kami around 2 a.m. Si Dario na. Favorite niya eggs and spinach. Ayan. Tapos may coffee tayo. Coffee! Ayan. Later, you want to see Lola? How about Lolo? How about Nina? Did you see a lot of Ninang and Ninong last night? Yes? Say yes. You got lots of gifts from your Ninong and Ninang? No. That's glass, baby. He got a gift again from last night. From Ninong Wico and Ninang Trish. Wow! Ang ganda naman! What's that? Wow! It's so nice, Zion, no? From Zara. From Zara. Say thank you. Wow, good job. Oh, Zara din to. And then this is from Ninang Irene and Ninong Aris. Inopen na din niya. Say thank you. Zion, say thank you. Wow, ito naman size 4. Oh, size ganda to. Wow, pogi naman. And then Ninong Kurt and Tita Trisha. This one yung gift nila. Ito, remote control na Mercedes. Wow, yan o. Remote control siya. Yan. Like it, Zion? Oh, naman, ang galing ah. Ayan na. Oh. You like that one? See mga cars. The mommy will look. Mommy, look. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Tata!
More. Ooh. Uh-oh, si Santa. Anuhin niya si Santa. Ay. Oh yeah, meron pa pala siyang gift na inopen. Itong batang to. Wait lang. And this one from Tita Clariel and Tito Luke. Yan oh. Wild one. Yan, dami yung clothes oh. Eh? Batang to ah. Dun, 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 dun. Daddy is still sleeping, but this boy is awake. See, boy? Ay, you just ate, Zion. Hey, you're gonna puke. Magsusuka ka. Sit down na, huy. Ooh, what's going on outside? Where's Jumpy? Where's Jumpy? What Jumpy say? Ala. Wait. No. Where's Jumpy, Zion? Where's Jumpy today? Oh. Kala mo naman, masisira yung blinds natin. Ay, kakain mo lang. No, you just ate. Feeling mo naman. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Ano? Where's baby here? Remember? Baby Mia? Sige na. Mahuhugas na si mami ng dishes. Merienda time. What time is it now? Ano yung phone? Yon. 1:09.
Ay.
Ito na, sir. Ayan, merienda lang kami. Zion is sleeping. Okay, guys. Look yung ice melter. Yay! Yung ice melter. Ang ganda ng front. Babaw ng kaligayan. Galing nga. Hindi ba yun yung it stays there lang para pag nag-snow hindi na siya mag-melt na lang, 'di ba?
Long shoot.
Dapat di mo tinanggal para mag-melt na lang na mag-melt.
Pasok. Bibigyan ulit.
Ito guys yung gamit. See. Yung binili namin yesterday. But yesterday ito. Okay. Hi Jumpy! Ang cute ni Jumpy. Hello Ate Jenny. Kuya Julius. Ayan o. Ayan. See? Yan na pa si OCD. Ayan. Gising na ata si Zion. Maglilinis pa ako dito. Ay. Ayan si Zion. Gising na. Ay, tulog pa guys. Okay, linis muna ako. Ay, nagalaw na siya. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, he's awake now.
Silly boy. Is that a boy? Is this a silly boy?
Oh, is that your baby? Sige, wait ka.
Boy. Silly boy.
Nahilo ako dahil mag-ganto. We are at the outlet. Hoy, Zion, you walk na. You want to walk? Ayun. There's Daddy.